Most people think aging starts with gray hair or wrinkles, but the real sign is that moment every morning when your legs ache and you sit back down on the bed just for 5 more minutes. That tiny decision feels harmless, but it's actually the first signal of silent physical decline. Your body's saying, move me or lose me. And here's the good news. You can stop it. Because in just 10 minutes every morning, you can relieve stiffness, boost circulation, and walk like you did years ago. Stay with me. I'll show you the simple daily habit that can bring strength and energy back to your legs, starting tomorrow morning. What's really happening inside your body? When you wake up, your body isn't fully on yet. Your heart beats slower, your blood flow is weak, and your joints feel stiff. Just like a car that's been parked all night. It's not aging, it's your body simply resting too long. During sleep, circulation slows and fluids collect around your joints, especially in your legs. So when you first stand up, your knees feel heavy and your movements seem rusty. But here's the good part. Your body can wake up fast. A few minutes of gentle movement increase blood flow, warm up your muscles, and release natural joint lubrication called synovial fluid. Suddenly the stiffness fades, your legs feel lighter, and your body starts to come alive again. And that's exactly what we'll trigger next, with a simple 3-step morning routine designed to recharge your legs and joints in minutes. The 3-step morning revival routine. This 3-step morning revival routine is designed to wake up your circulation, loosen your joints, and re-energize your legs, all in under 10 minutes. You don't need any equipment, just your body and a bit of space beside your bed. Step 1. The circulation. Wake up 2 minutes. Start while still sitting on your bed. Gently pump your ankles up and down, like pressing on a gas pedal. Do this 20 times per foot. It wakes up the small blood vessels in your legs and pushes fresh oxygen toward your knees and hips. Then rub your thighs and calves with both hands. Firm upward strokes for about 30 seconds. This simple friction increases blood flow and warms your muscles instantly. You'll start to feel a gentle wake-up buzz in your legs. That's circulation coming back online. Step 2. The joint loosener, 4 minutes. Now stand up slowly. Hold the edge of a chair or wall for balance. We'll do leg swings, forward and backward, 10 per leg. Then swing them side to side. These movements release stiffness in your hips and knees, activating your body's natural joint lubricant. Next, do slow knee circles. Feet shoulder width apart, hands on knees, making gentle circles 5 times in each direction. This tiny motion oils up your joints for smooth, pain-free walking. Step 3. The energy recharger, 3 minutes. Now that your body's warmed up, let's activate your muscles. Do marching in place for 1 minute, lifting your knees as high as comfortable. Then do heel raises. Stand tall. Lift your heels off the floor, then lower them slowly. Do 15 reps. This strengthens your calves and improves balance. Finish with deep breathing. Inhale through your nose for 4 seconds. Raise your arms. Exhale slowly through your mouth for 6 seconds. This resets your energy and floods your body with oxygen. After this, you'll notice your steps feel lighter, your joints move easier, and your mind feels sharper. This is how you turn on your body every morning, naturally. Why? This routine works. Science in simple words. So why does this short routine make such a big difference? It's not magic, it's pure body science. When you move first thing in the morning, you kickstart 3 powerful systems in your body. Number 1. Circulation activation. During sleep, blood flow slows down, especially in your legs. But when you start moving your ankles and calves, your muscles squeeze your veins like pumps, pushing blood back towards your heart. That boost sends fresh oxygen and nutrients to your joints, muscles, and even your brain, making you feel awake and steady again. Number 2. Joint lubrication. Those gentle knee circles and leg swings do something special. They release synovial fluid, your body's natural joint oil. It coats your knees and hips, reducing friction and stiffness. That's why movement feels smoother and pain fades away after a few minutes. Number 3. Muscle activation and energy flow. Your muscles act like batteries. When they're still, they lose charge. But once you stop marching or doing heel raises, your muscles contract and release energy, producing warmth and balance. That's what gives you that alive feeling after just a few minutes of motion. In short, this 3-step morning routine resets your body's natural systems. It boosts blood flow, lubricates your joints, and recharges your muscles, all before breakfast. So instead of starting your day stiff and sluggish, you start strong, stable, and ready to move freely. The long-term mindset. Real change doesn't come from perfection, it comes from consistency. One small routine, done every morning, sends a clear message to your body. I'm still here, I'm still moving, I'm still alive. Your body listens, circulation improves, balance strengthens, confidence grows. You don't have to move like you did in your 20s. You just need to move better than yesterday. Make this routine part of your life. A few minutes each morning can decide how your day feels and how strong you stay long term. Aging isn't slowing down, it's learning to move smarter. There you have it. A simple 3-step morning routine that wakes up your body, boosts circulation, and strengthens your joints. Try it tomorrow morning. You'll feel the difference before your first cup of coffee. If this helped you, don't stop here. We have more routines to rebuild strength, balance, and flexibility, all for people over 50. Hit subscribe, turn on the bell, and keep your body feeling younger, one morning at a time. Your best years aren't behind you, they're waiting for you to move.